don't know why hell, folks. I'm looking for waterfalls. Yeah. Hey guys, you're near Athwelthota. Just past Mavic. Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mahesh. It was a beautiful day today, so I decided to go check out some waterfalls in the Kalutara district, Sri Lanka. On the way, we came across some amazing sights. I went in a tuk-tuk and I took my drone along with me. There was nothing but petty views and blue skies as far as the eye could see. One of those amazing sights we came across was this. Holy shit, look at this fucking thing. It's fucking amazing. This is near, I don't know where the fuck it is. This place is near Polgampola, Kalutara. Unfucking believable. You gotta see it for yourselves, guys. Holy shit. So now we are approaching our first destination, the Polgampola waterfall. This ain't it. So we got ways to go. I have to walk a long way from the main roads. Aduh, kemana bang? May gasto lah, size. I haven't done this much exercise since fucking your mom. At last, finally, we are here. The Polola waterfall in Polgampola. So it was getting late and we decided to move on to our next destination. Alright folks, I'm headed up to check out Athwelthota. Just down here. There's nobody here and I had a real nice time flying the drone, taking videos and having a bath. On the way to our final destination, It started pouring down. Hah? Dengan kadang-kadang ini. Well, we finally got there, and this is the Bokku. Came close, complete with the fucking waterfall right here. You see the waterfall? So the camera is compensating for the dark. That's why it looks so bright. But for me, with my own eyes, it's dark as hell. We only got to see the top of the waterfall. To get down the rocks, we had to go right down this little park. And since it was raining and muddy, I decided against it. Don't want to break my thick muscle-bound neck. Raining like hell, folks. I'm looking for waterfalls. Fuck me, it's raining like hell. It was late and getting dark, raining like hell. So we decided to pack up, go home. So we're going home. It's the whole day of looking at waterfalls. It's raining like hell and dark as hell. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here's an Amazon gift card for you guys. Enjoy.